Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best motorcycle oil in the Castrol Power 1 Racing 4T lineup, the 5W40 variant. If you're looking for an oil that combines cutting-edge race-derived technology with exceptional performance, this one deserves your attention. The Castrol Power 1 Racing 4T 5W40 is engineered specifically for motorcycle engines that demand the highest levels of protection and acceleration. Whether your bike has an air-cooled engine or water-cooled system, this oil is designed to excel under extreme high-temperature conditions. The formulation offers outstanding shear stability, which means the oil maintains its viscosity even when subjected to the intense pressures and heat inside your engine. This is crucial because viscosity breakdown can compromise engine performance and protection. One of the standout features of this oil is its race-inspired technology that helps maximize engine acceleration. That means your motorcycle can respond faster and perform better, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the limits on the track. Another benefit to highlight is the control of oil consumption. Excessive oil consumption is not only inconvenient but can also signal engine stress or damage. In addition, the oil delivers superior high-speed engine protection, which plays a significant role in extending the life of your engine by reducing wear and tear during aggressive riding conditions. Castrol Power 1 Racing 4T 5W40 is formulated to keep consumption in check, helping you maintain smooth operation without frequent top-ups. Alongside this, the oil enhances gear shift quality, giving you smoother and more precise gear changes that contribute to an overall better riding experience. If your motorcycle uses a wet clutch system, you'll appreciate how this oil optimizes clutch performance. Wet clutches rely on the engine oil for lubrication, and this formula ensures consistent, slip-free engagement, improving both safety and responsiveness. The packaging comes in a convenient 1-quart bottle, perfect for easy handling and storage. It carries the trusted Castrol brand, known worldwide for quality lubricants and automotive products. The product is vehicle-specific, tailored to meet the demands of motorcycles rather than general automotive engines. To sum it up, the Castrol Power 1 Racing 4T 5W40 is a premium choice for riders who want to combine advanced race technology with everyday engine protection. It's designed to keep your engine running at peak performance under extreme conditions, control oil consumption, improve gear shifts, and support wet clutch systems. If you demand the best for your motorcycle, this oil checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Ride safe and see you in the next video.